Hi, it's Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. I'm just about to get on a client call, and I wanted to give you this information because I'm going to talk about this with my client in literally 2 minutes. And what is that? Well, this is for golfers. So if you're a golfer, you want to pay attention. If you're not, you can stop the video now. So let's talk about golf and how important it is to have a strategy at every single hole when you are playing with a potential client or with a center of influence. Now, most of us don't ever really think about that. We just go out and play golf. And then when we get to the end of the game, we have drinks or meal and we have the conversation then. But I'm going to actually say to you that that is probably a waste of time. And the reason why is because you're spending all this time on the golf course and you're building all this know, like, and trust, which is great. But if you were more strategic about it, you probably could get the referral faster. You could also close the client sooner. So once you start thinking about what your strategy is on each hole, you don't have to be salesy or pushy or aggressive, but the fact is if you plan before you get to the golf course of what you want to say, how you want to say it, what you want to do on each of the holes, you're more likely to get a client or a referral at the end of the game. So I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go out and get results. If you have a question that you want to talk to me about or a topic you want me to talk on, feel free to email me at gina@getmoreresults.com. Or if you want a free coaching session to talk about golf and how you can develop your strategy, feel free to click on the link or the caption, the link in the email or the caption. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. I got to go to this client meeting. Have a great day. Go get results.